How to add multiple managers to your YouTube account. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily do that. First thing first, you need to have YouTube Studio application on your device and open it up. Make sure to log into your account. So I've already logged into my YouTube account from here, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right. Tap on settings from here. Now, to be able to add multiple managers, you need to go over to permissions tab from here under channels. And as you can see, currently I'm the only owner of the channel. So if you want to invite more people, tap on invite down below. Simply search for the email address. Once you've entered your email address, you can select what you want to add them as, whether it's a manager, editor, or subtitle editor, viewer, or limited viewer. I'll just do manager. Tap on send invitation. Tap on send, and if they accept your invite, you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.